Hello everyone, I'm Amit, a computer science educator from India, and you are most welcome to this fun learning environment from Microsoft called Microbit, and we are in the Make Code environment of Microbit, and we're going to draw two smileys with some musical effects here with the help of LEDs, and we are in the default environment where we have a start block. We just push it to bin. Another one is a forever block. We have pushed it to will be requiring input buttons. In fact, we will be duplicating it as we are requiring two buttons. One is A and another is B. So we'll just select B. Now we have two blocks of two buttons. Now we'll have this LED pattern. Insert this in this block. We'll draw the smileys in them, but before that we'll duplicate and insert in the B block also. Now here comes the eyes of the smiley along with the effect of smile. Here comes the eyes of the smiley along with effect of frowning face. Now if we see the output here, so it's like we'll play it. A will be like this, and B will be like this. Now we'll add some music effect to it. Here we have some sounds. Sound. We'll just create a duplicate copy. Another one, and another duplicate copy goes here, and another one goes here. Before and after the LED smiley. Now we'll select the happy sound for it and a sad sound for this one. I think it's done. Now we're going to play this, and if you see, like if we press the button A, which will be the effect of this one, it'll be happy sound along with the smiley. And if we press B, it'll be a sad sound with a sad smiley. That one is a frown face. So it's all simple, and happy fun learning. Bye bye.